Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. So you guys, if you haven't already done so, why don't you give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be good. And while you're at it, subscribe. Oh yeah. All right, let's begin with the show. So what we got going on today is I couldn't figure out if I should have spaghetti or a burger. So I've combined them two just without the spaghetti dough. Okay, we have some spaghetti sauce and some Beyond Meat burger patty, some cheddar cheese. I drizzled very lightly of some honey mustard, that is. All right, you guys, let's begin, because I'm hungry. I hope you guys are doing great today. As you can tell, my little energy is just a little bit up there because I think I've had too much coffee. Anyhow, let me take a thumbnail real quick. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Okay. Go ahead, you take the first bite. Careful, it's hot. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got some mushroom in the spaghetti sauce. Wow. Ooh, that is one good burger. All right. Almost like a sloppy Joe. But better. But better for you. We're gonna wash it down with some bubbly. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Just melts in my mouth. I was tempted to use the sycamore white bread, my favorite one, as the burger bun, but I was like, maybe next time. Sorry, can't chit chat. Gotta eat. Anyhow, you guys, winter is upon us. One thing I hate about winter, me and winter does not get along as far as the cold goes. Because for some of you that don't know, I do have a skin condition. And it gets really, really dry. It gets really, really dry and flaky on my scalp and on my face, my chest, my chin, everything. So if you're easily grossed out, do not go over to my other channel. It's called PitaFlakes, which I deal with my skin condition, which I scrape off my face, my chin, and my scalp, all right? So if you want to go check it out, just know that you were warned, all right? Oh, excuse me. Oh. All right. Here's the last one for the one time. Had a burp. Ooh. You know what I just thought of? If I had made the burger buns to like a garlic, cheesy, you know, kind of like a garlic bread type of thing. Next time, next time. That'd be so good. You know what? Let me shut up. I don't want to give away my little ideas. You're just going to have to tune in. That was a delicious meal. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. All right, you guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for having brunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? Click on the bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video, which is usually every day. All right? Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ofatu. You can go. Bye.